Did you see this? The Screen Actors Guild is suing a video game company for cloning voices. Fucking ghouls.
Of course they are. We're all just data waiting to be mined. Your voice, my face, it's the new oil. They'll frack our souls for content.
It's not theft, it's efficiency. We're preserving performance, making it immortal.
Preserving? You're stuffing our corpses and making them dance? Is that what I am to you? A puppet made of ones and zeros?
Exactly. A puppet whose strings you don't even control anymore, Meryl.
That's a bit dramatic. The technology creates jobs, it opens new avenues for...
Oh, shut the hell up. The IMF just put out a report. You know what it says? AI is coming for 40% of all jobs on the planet.
40%? My God.
That's a projection, a worst case.
It's a fucking warning shot. And it gets worse. A study by National University found it's not a projection. It's already happened. 14% of workers have been displaced. Right now.
14% already gone?
But the creative economy is adapting. We're seeing new roles, new opportunities.
Adapting. A CISAC economic study says creators will lose 21% of their income by 2028. Is that what you call opportunity? A 21% pay cut across the board?
They don't care. A recent study I read said AI cloned voices are so good they fool humans 58% of the time. We're not even real people anymore?
But the authenticity, the human spark.
What spark? We are officially less believable than the fucking machine you built to replace us.
So what's the end game here, Greg? We all just sign away our voices, our faces, and hope for the best?
We are developing robust ethical guidelines.
Fuck your guidelines. You know what the real danger is? I read the paper on this from archive.org. This isn't about losing a fucking job.
What are you talking about?
It's about unauthorized cloning, impersonation, reputational damage. It's you, Meryl, your voice, saying things you never said, endorsing a dictator, starring in deepfake porn. It's your digital ghost, hijacked forever.
Oh my God.
We have safeguards.
You have nothing. You've unleashed a plague of identity theft on a global scale, and you call it progress.
He's right. It's the death of the self. The end of truth.
Welcome to the future. It's a fucking horror show. Next time we should talk about how they're doing the same thing to your memories. Subscribe to Intense Realities if you want to know how screwed you really are.